Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own robotic arm. Here we go. You'll need construction paper, straws, a big tube, and some string. So, trace your hand on the construction paper. Make it a bit bigger than your real hand. Just use your hand as a helpful guide. Then cut it out. So what you want to do is cut your straws into 19 pieces, basically, because there are 19 bones in your hand. And then the tube is going to be used for the wrist. So when you cut out and draw your hand, make sure there's a bit of wrist in there. So there's 19 bones in your real hand too. So you want to cut out these big ones that go down to this tube, and then these smaller ones in the fingers. Then just thread the strings through here and then get it going through their tubes and then all the way down to the bottom. Then when you just pull it, it's going to go back like this. There you go. So this is how to make your very own robotic arm. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the fun stuff, hit that like button, and thanks for watching.